in 2 photos, one from the front and one from the side. You can use your smartphone or a camera. Face the camera and then to the side. Take the first picture and then the second. If you always wear glasses, put them on and take 2 pictures with the glasses and 2 without them. Avoid making faces. Don't get too close to the model. And don't go too far. The model must be on its side and not diagonally. Don't pose badly. Don't take dark pictures. Don't take blurry photos. Don't take overexposed photos. If you have long hair, don't cover your face or neck. You can put your hair up. Follow the same process, front and side. You can wear earrings. Finally, if you have tattoos or marks on your body, take a picture of it. Thanks for watching this video.